Creating a visual novel is a creative and engaging process that involves storytelling and visual design. Here's a concise guide. Concept and storyline. Start by developing a compelling storyline with well-defined characters and branching plot lines. Decide on the genres and themes. Writing. Write a script for your visual novel, including dialogues, narration, and descriptions. Consider different story paths and choices for the player. Choose an engine. Select a visual novel engine or software to build your game. Popular choices include Rampy, Terreno Builder, or Unity with VM frameworks. Art and design. Create or commission artwork for your characters, backgrounds, and visual assets. Art is crucial in conveying the story's atmosphere. Music and sound. Compose or select background music and sound effects to enhance the player's experience. Programming. Use the chosen engine to code your visual novel. This includes implementing choices, character interactions, and scene transitions. Gameplay mechanics. If your visual novel includes gameplay elements, program these mechanics. Testing and debugging. Playtest your visual novel to identify and fix bugs, inconsistencies, and pacing issues. Distribution. Once your visual novel is ready, package it for distribution. You can release it as a standalone executable for web browsers or on platforms like Steam or itch.io. Engage with your audience, interact with players, gather feedback, and consider updates or sequels to your visual novel.